Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Confirm your operating system and pick a clipboard manager that supports extended history. Once done, download the official installer and run it with administrator privileges so background services install correctly. Make sure to close other clipboard utilities first to avoid conflicts, and allow required permissions like accessibility on Mac OS or background startup on Windows. This sets up the environment so changes to clipboard capacity will be persistent and reliable. You now configure size and behavior inside the manager. Go to Preferences, find History or Storage, and increase the item count or megabyte limit. Choose a sensible value like 500 items or 200 MB for heavy use. Once chosen, enable optional features such as deduplication to avoid duplicates and encryption if syncing across devices. Make sure to select whether entries persist across restarts. This changes how much content the tool retains and why performance stays smooth. You finish by restarting the Clipboard Manager and performing a real-world test. Copy text, images, and small files to confirm the increased capacity is active. Once verified, adjust retention rules and shortcuts for quick retrieval. If items vanish or capacity seems unchanged, check app permissions, available disk space, and the service's logs. Sometimes antivirus or sandboxing blocks persistence. This final sweep ensures the new clipboard size works reliably and gives you a clear troubleshooting step if problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.